welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are going to be making a breakfast quesadilla, and before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. So today's quesadilla, I'm going to spice it up with my own flavors and lots of flavors, and it's going to be creamy, crunchy from the outside. It's just going to be plain, simple, delicious. Exact ingredients and direction will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, and let's get started. So you guys saw how easy the recipe was. It was super creamy because of the cashew, queso, and avocado. So delicious. So you guys have to try it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.